right here at Slayton Fabrication in Montgomery, Texas, and we are going to be cutting out some splash guards for a 2008 Godfrey pontoon. I'll give a brief view over here. So under all these pontoons, and they're all kind of built the same, it's just usually C-channel and then plywood decking on top of it, especially the older ones. But as the waves are coming and hitting, it's actually spraying up and deflecting into the center. You can see the factory attempted to do some splash guarding, if you will, with that plastic sheeting, but it doesn't really do a good job, especially in rough water or when the boat's loaded. So with a splash guard, all of this is going to be a smooth tunnel, and in theory, it should provide for a smoother ride because you're not getting that constant pounding from the waves hitting up under the deck.
Hello.
So this is the fiber laser that he's got in his shop, and as you can see, this thing makes some pretty slick cuts. Talk about precise, and he's even got holes pre-cut where the rivets will go in on the underside of the hull. What kind of aluminum are they? You said it was...
This is 14 gauge.
Nice.